जाएगा फिर क्या करूँगा।
अभी अनरिवील करेंगे, सबर करो। किधर मैंने बाजू का दूर नहीं छोड़ा, मैंने टीवी का करने का काम छोड़ा और लोकेशन करने छोड़ा।
And you is on the cover page. Well, our cover superstar is.
सर जी साइड हो जाइए।
मोबाइल लीजिए जरा।
यस हो जाएगा। लुक सेंटर प्लीज।
सर मोबाइल नीचे लो नीचे।
5 decades and he's been winning hearts with his fantastic music. चाहे ऊंची हो बिल्डिंग या मोह के धागे. To win the national award to several prestigious honors and international recognitions. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us as we welcome our living legend Anu. इनकी एक खासियत बात आप सबको बताना चाहूंगी. At the spur of the moment, he creates song on anybody, about anybody. सच में आपके दिल को बिल्कुल जीत लेते हैं इस तरह जैसे कि सब कुछ पहले से ही planned हो. So thank you very much, Anu Malik sir, and you're also the first one to join us here. It's a very special evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we are truly humbled to have with us the very popular duo. Well, once again, they've given, and we also have Suleiman ji here with us. So thank you, sir, for joining us on time. I was told you were going to join us, तो मुझे दिखे नहीं, थोड़ा सा अंधेरा था, and I was like, शांतु को invite करूँ ऐसे नहीं, दिख गए, Suleiman ji is here. So thank you so much for being here on time. And Salim Merchant, it is such a fabulous honor to always see you around and have you with us. Mera ji. You know, I'm going to request you later as models, side pose देने के लिए, but after I invite the cover superstar. Yes. No, वो मैं करूँगी sir, don't worry. मैंने already कह दिया, you will have to do like a little bit of shifting. And now, it's not just Shan on the cover. Shan, I mean, at first, okay, so I'm not going to get into that. वो राज हम बाद में फाश करते हैं. It's time for us to welcome his दोनों अनमोल रतन. I have no idea. They're taller than you. Wow. And we are proud of them. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, already I'm going to give you time, 30 seconds, आप photo ले लो. Before we go ahead for the unveiling, we're going to just set it up right. Ashok sir, you're not seen. Jayashree ma'am, you're also not seen.
सबको घुमा के वो रखे यार ये वाला.
Yeah, so I'll do that after the unveiling, sweetheart. So I don't mind. Soham and Mahi, I'm going to catch hold of you guys only. Knees pe jana ho, you're the ones who's going to propose, who probably learning how to propose to a girl. So please don't mind doing that. Give it up for the cover superstars! It's Shan, Mahi, Soham! Thank you to Anu Malik ji, Salim Suleiman ji, Shantanu ji, Vikram ji, and now for the grand unveiling, we're just going to set it up nicely. So I'm going to ask for, this is for Shan. So I'm going to ask, sweetheart, would you like to join now? Okay, sure. My God! Oh my, look at the pose. We've never had such a brilliant pose and cover of Society Achievers, the magazine with class. Presenting our cover superstars. Let's give it up for Shan, Soham and Mahi. At first, I'm going to request all three of you, the superstars, along with Ashok sir and my dignitaries, to please join us at the stage. The center is yours. Thank you for going. Once again, cheer. I appreciate the applause. That's a fabulous applause. Wow! We're really thankful to Escobar for this grand unveiling taking place. So everyone be here with us. Please be here with us, everyone. We're going to have Now, the unveiling. Very quickly, I'm going to please invite my beautiful family of Society Achievers for a photo before we present the memento, because Anu Malik sir has to leave. So I'm going to very quickly invite.
सर एक बार यहाँ पर
All of it there.
सर यहाँ पर भाई थोड़ा हाथ पीछे लगा
Smile, everyone! Woo-hoo!
Thank you.
The musical superstars, one second, excuse me. I'm going to please invite my lovely family for a very quick photo op. My own family of Society Achievers. May we have all of them here before we present the memento to them. My entire beautiful family, everybody. Sunil ji, Shivendra ji, everyone. Mario, Preeta ma'am, Amber, everyone, my beautiful family.
Thank you.
May we please
अरे तुम्हारा थैंक यू हो गया बाकी का नहीं
now
हुआ
present
सर
a beautiful surprise.
सर यहाँ पर देखिएगा सर सर यहाँ पर
Mom and Mahi, this is yours as well. Come on. The future stars of the musical world. It's all in the family. Wow. Woo-hoo. Jayashri ji, please join us. Wow, what a beautiful feeling. And now for the felicitation ceremony, I'm going to request Ashok Namankar sir to felicitate our distinguished dignitaries.
All of it there.
थैंक यू
Thank you.
के हिसाब से आपका स्वागत है. Anu sir, it's always so wonderful to have you, and also Anmol in USA is doing so well. Uska English song is a super hit. We are truly overwhelmed. So sir, I know you're in super rush, so Shadaf zarur sunna chahenge, please sir. How does it feel?
Have such great talent. My friends Salim Suleiman are here, Shantanu Moitra, who's absolutely such a gifted composer. And then of course Vikram ji from Saregama, who's at the helm of affairs with big back-to-back super hits. And right now, at this part of time, I would like to congratulate Radhika and Shan for bringing up Soham and Mahi with so much love. And these guys deserve the amount of respect they're getting. And it's a huge achievement to be on the cover of a Society magazine, because I don't think I've ever reached there at this point of time. And I don't know, Salim Suleiman, have you ever reached there? But I think it's a huge achievement. And kudos to Shan and Radhika. And these boys, I was just talking to Soham and Mahi was telling me how he sings and how much he's supported by his brother. The amount of love that the brothers share for each other is commendable. You know, this is what I believe families are all about. We are talking about families at this point of time. And Shan's artwork has paid off. He's one of the most gifted singers, but apart from that, he's one of the nicest human beings I've ever come across. And I personally feel that it's pretty kicked about the fact that I'm here at this function with these two little boys who are really going to make a mark, and I bless them. Thank you.
Thank you, Anuji. I just want to add that why it is so important that I have Anuji with me, because not just me, even my parents, my father, Anuji go a long way. My mother has sung in the chorus for Anuji's music, so it was very. And I know for a fact that since the late 70s till now, the only consistent composer right through every year who's had it, that is Anuji, which is a record in itself. And I'm sure in the coming months, if not years, if not months, he will be associated with my boys also in a certain way, because that is Anu Malik for us. Very happy, very honored.
Look at the hand holder. ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोह टोह ना लागे, किस तरह गिरहा ये सुलझे, है रोम रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे, ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे. Thank you so much.
Anu, thank you so much for your presence and your few words, what you said about us and Chan. Thank you so much.
Not Bila, why उनका separate है sir? Sir they give their beautiful shawl to their girlfriends now sir. Why they'll share with you? What sir? And now, yeah, Radhika said पहले से ही नहीं. So I asked Radhika ji, let's please welcome Mahi and Soham. Carrying the legacy forward, the future superstars of tomorrow. And they're like, हमने ये कभी accept नहीं किया, हाँ ना Mahi, Soham? Please accept this. Thank you.
Could everyone look center, please, for a photo?
Right now. Sally Merchant, over to you now. No, I want you to speak a few words. Photo is done?
I just read one caption in the thing very quickly that my family, my kids are my world, my music, that was Shan's quote, and it's so well said because every parent would want their kid, anyone who's into music would want their kids to continue the legacy, and but it's not always it's not always possible because the kids want to do something else. It's difficult in this day and age to have this legacy continue. So really, Shan and Radhika, you guys, the credit for Soham and Mahi goes to you both because you have really excelled yourselves as parents. True. It's sometimes because they would want to do something else, they would want to do some other subject, but to be able to for them to continue doing music is such a big thing, and of course it's all your hard work and it's all your dedication. It's a beautiful moment for your family, for all three of you to be on the cover of Society. Thank you for having them.
Excited to hear from you. Right from गाने to दास्तां, ये बहुत स्पेशल है और बिल्कुल सबने सही कहा कि oh my God, आपके dimples के पीछे तो हम सब दीवाने हैं ही, लेकिन आज तो बिल्कुल स्टेयर करना नहीं रुक रहा. So are we ready to hear it from Shan, everybody? The cover superstar. Let's please hear a few words from Shan.
Very honestly, जब अशोक जी जिस प्रपोजल के साथ अप्रोच किए तो मैं थोड़ा बहुत सरप्राइज था कि there are so many, when you talk about achievers, when you talk about people who have created some impact in society, इतने सारे नाम आएंगे, लेकिन उन्होंने बहुत प्यार से कहा कि नहीं शान, we want you on the cover, and in fact अकेले नहीं, my boys, they make me very proud, and of course all this is not possible, especially for Mahi, without Vikram Mehra's belief, faith, and of course support. For me, Salim Sulaiman, we go back such a long way because when we were as young as my boys, तब से हमारी दोस्ती है और मुझे ये भी पता है कि चाहे कुछ भी है, सबसे पहले हमारी दोस्ती है, सबसे आगे, सबसे बेहतर, and which is why I can always count on my boys. बिन पूछे मेरा नाम और पता, रस्मों को रख के पढ़े, 4 कदम बस 4 कदम, चल दो ना साथ मेरे, बिन कुछ कहे, बिन कुछ सुने, हाथों में हाथ लिए, 4 कदम बस 4 कदम, चल दो ना साथ मेरे. एक्चुअली ये गाना गाकर सबको यहाँ बुला लिया. बिन कुछ कहे, बिन कुछ पूछे, आ जाओ और मेरे साथ थोड़ा 4 कदम चल लो. That's why I thought this would be the most apt song to sing.
Ajay, I think speaking on behalf of both brother and I was so as Baba, and yeah, just seeing everyone here just warms our heart even more. I'll sing a line as well. He's obviously a very proud Saregama artist, and Vikram sir is here, and he's always he's with the engine throughout all of this. Today is also another special day because I got to sing my first ever tune, Shantanu sir, for a special project. So that was also quite nice today itself. And yeah, obviously Salim sir, Sulaiman sir have always been so helpful when it comes to advice. Got to see them live also once, and there's so much to learn from them, obviously from the music. Brother, in fact, has also, have you interned briefly? Yeah. Yeah, with them. Yeah.
Are you too excited?
Yeah, and he's interned Saregama as well. Now that I think about it. Yes, yeah. So we're going to get to learn. Yeah, and yeah.
कोई जादू करे मिलना तेरा लगे कोई जादू करे किस्मत पे आए ना जाए ना यकी मिलना तेरा लगे कोई जादू करे
Well, I think I know it's a society achievers, but I really feel we're achieving. It's not there yet, but we're going to get there with everyone's blessings, and we're so grateful for it. Thank you so much, everybody. Yeah, I think there's a lot of path for us to go, and it's moments like these that will always keep us going, in no matter what moment we might be in at that time. And yeah, I just want to again just thank everyone for coming. It means so much to the both of us. And to be able to celebrate Dad is always a blessing. It's another blessing for us. So we're always so humbled and grateful for all of it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm going to welcome, sir, just 3 more. I'm going to welcome Bright Outdoor Media, the first ever and Kisplay to receive it on behalf of Dr. Yogesh Lakhan. And now may we please thank Shantanu for this. Shantanu Moitra, come on, the music man, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, a huge round of applause. Thank you. Vikram sir will say, अच्छा ऐसा भी होता है. Unveiling में ये society achievers में ऐसा ही होता है. May we please welcome Vikram sir, the managing director of SAI India. Sir, we truly want to thank you for your gracious presence. It's a beautiful moment for us, ladies and gentlemen, our living legend, Vikram Mehraj. Wish. So may we please have Soham and Mahi receive this. Radhika, may we please. अनिल जी आज बहुत ज्यादा खुश दिख रहे हैं. So please be.
चांद सिफारिश जो करता हमारी देता वो तुमको बता शर्मो हया के पर्दे गिरा के करनी है हमको खता जिद है अब तो है खुद को मिटाना होना है तुझ में फना.
I know you won't think, but we think. Why did Radhika join us for this very special thing? Because she's the queen. And Mahi Mukherjee. Now I get to watch my songs. Wow. Now I get to watch my sons. Wow. Oh, it's so sweet. Oh, that's a lovely romantic pose. We appreciate it. Huh? Sing a song.
नहीं बहुत मेरे लिए बहुत ही एक खुशी का ये एक फीलिंग हो रही है और मैं बहुत इनफैक्ट बहुत ओवरवेल्म्ड हूँ न सिर्फ कि हम तीनों का इस तरह से एक कवर स्टोरी बना और मतलब आर्टिकल आना एक होता है और कवर पे आना एक होती है तो बहुत बड़ी बात है. पहली बार मुझे इस तरह का एक कवर पे आना हुआ वो भी मेरे दोनों बच्चों के साथ और अनवीलिंग के लिए अनु मलिक जी, सलीम सुलेमान, शांतनु मोइत्रा, विक्रम मेहरा ऐसे मतलब बड़े दिग्गज भी आए तो इट वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल फीलिंग. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप लोग जिस तरह से सोसाइटी में आप लोग आए हैं क्या कुछ कितना बड़ा फीलिंग मोमेंट
बस वो शुभ माही और मैं वी आर हियर एज अचीविंग और ट्राइंग टू अचीव समथिंग. बस वही इच्छा है कि हम आगे बढ़े और सबके
वो तो बताया
मैंने तो बताया कि
बोले सिर्फ एक्टर्स को क्यों ये प्रिविलेज मिले?
सबको मिलना चाहिए।
सबको मिलना चाहिए।
ये जो चेंजेस आया है क्योंकि अब हमारी सोसाइटी में ना कि एक्टर बल्कि डायरेक्टर, राइटर
जी,
सभी
जी,
को
हाँ, आशीष शिलार जी भी, so people from all walks of life have been on it. Yes, yes,
जो भी काम कर रहे हैं उसके काम अगर अच्छा है तो सोसाइटी में अप्रिसिएट मिल रहा है। ये पहले नहीं होता था उतना, सिर्फ एक्टर फीमेल एक्टर मेल एक्टर को ही उतना, लेकिन अब ये बहुत ही चेंज आया हमारी सोसाइटी में। तो ये कैसे देखते हैं?
नहीं, ये देखिए बहुत जो स्पेशली जैसे जो पब्लिकेशंस बहुत सालों से चल रहे हैं उनकी भी एक मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कहें कि सोसाइटी के हर क्षेत्र के हर लोगों को सेलिब्रेट किया जाए। और लेकिन हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स यू नो सेल्स और वो नंबर्स भी एक बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ होती है। जब कोई एक्टर स्टार का चेहरा पेपर पे होता है तो लोगों में वो एक ज़्यादा जिज्ञासा, इंटरेस्ट और वो जोश जागती है। लेकिन आज के तारीख में लोगों को कहानियाँ जाननी है, स्टोरीज़ जाननी है। अगर उसमें कोई कवर पे ऐसा ट्विस्ट है कि बाप है दोनों सब बेटे हैं, इनकी क्या कहानी है, सो आई थिंक दैट कुड बी इंटरेस्टिंग ऑल्सो। और इट शुड नॉट ओनली नेसेसरली बी फ्रॉम एंटरटेनमेंट। वो यू नो हर किसी की अपनी कहानी होती है और आज की जो ऑडियंस है वो बहुत रिसेप्टिव है ऐसी अलग कहानियों को जानने के लिए, सुनने के लिए। शायद यही सोचकर अशोक जी ने सोचा होगा कि इन तीनों को डालते हैं कवर पे।
Can we have a song from all of three of you together? One song you can sing for us.
I think it's
Two lines.
साथ में चलो। चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी ना हो, आंसू भी ना हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पाले एक ऐसे गगन के तले। सोसाइटी के लिए हम यही चाहेंगे कि हम सब प्यार से एक साथ खुशी से जिए।
थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू सो मच।